Guys, today I'm looking at some cool bone conduction headphones made for sport, and they are really kind of cool. Why? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Yes guys, today I am looking at the Runner Neo bone conduction headphones from Naenka. Now, if you don't know Naenka, well, they have been pioneering headphone designs and technology and have brought to market a number of bone conduction headphones. So what the hell are bone conduction headphones all about? Well, before we get into that, Naenka sent me these Runner Neos in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. First off guys, open the box up and you are immediately greeted with the Runner Neos. Now mine are in this cool green colour, which I quite like, but they do come in black and red also. Lift up the divider section and you have these comfort tips, which Naenka call sound enhancers. Now I'll get to the bone conduction bit in a minute, but as these headphones don't actually cover your ears, these are almost equivalent to conventional ear tips, but instead of creating a sound seal, they block out noise through the ears to further accentuate the noise vibrations sent through your bones. Now guys, these come in different sizes, so you'll be sure to find a pair that actually fit you. You also get this elastic thing which you can fit onto a neckband to further keep them secure, and you get some earplugs in case you want to totally block out sounds entering your ears. And lastly guys, you get this wireless charging dock, which I think is pretty cool, right? I mean, we're always getting these bespoke connectors and stuff like that, so having a wireless charging dock is pretty cool. I mean, who doesn't like a bit of wireless charging, right? Now, taking a look around these headphones, and they look and feel good. Now, they're made from this kind of titanium stuff covered in skin-friendly silicone, and boy, they are light. Now, disappointingly, I didn't get a user manual in my box, which is kind of strange, so I had to go online and find one, which was a bit haphazard, but nevertheless, I did find one. Now, control-wise, guys, you've got physical buttons, which is nice. A long press on the volume up button will switch these Runner Neos on or off. Switching on immediately puts them into pairing mode, and you get some nice spoken instructions. These volume up and down buttons also control skipping to previous tracks and next tracks. All other functions, including music playback, call answering, hanging up calls, etc., are all handled by this multi-function button on the side here. So, what is this black magic of bone conduction? Well, conventional headphones or earbuds are firing sound directly into your ears. The ears can be pretty sensitive or even impaired. But you know what it's like, you're listening to a bit of Bat Out of Hell and you start on volume 5, and then very soon your ears get used to that volume, and before you know it, you're dancing around, shaking your head, and you're on volume 10. And whilst it makes us feel alive, it's also potentially damaging our hearing. And the consequence of that damaged hearing is no more Bat Out of Hell, or potentially anything. Now, I'm not a hearing or health expert, but the folks that are, you will relate to this. So what's the answer? Well, bone conduction. As rather than blasting the old eardrums with all of that sound, you actually wear these in the front of your ears, so it's the vibration on the bone rather than the noise in the ears that create the sound. And that's why, if you already have impaired hearing of any kind, this tech could be a great solution as it's bypassing your ears. Pretty cool, eh? Anyway, now some features. Well, you kind of get dual mic noise reduction for exceptionally clear sound. You also get 10 hours of playback time, which is pretty respectable. You also have Bluetooth 5.2 to keep you efficiently connected, and you get IP66 water and dust protection. So you know what? Being sports headphones, we don't know what sports we're engaging in, but it will enable you to brave the elements. And you also get that wireless charging capability as well. So you know what? Well stacked in the feature department. Now, audio quality. Well, it's impossible to compare these to any conventional earbuds or headphones, as they just don't work that way. The sound is overall flattish, but you can definitely distinguish bass and treble, and that sound quality is further enhanced by popping in some of these sound enhancers. Now, I found that you need to kind of crank the volume up a little bit in order to get the full sound stage, but just be aware, guys, that this will make the sides of your head tingle, so don't go too mad. But I'm going to say that the more I listened to them, the better they sounded. Now, the nice thing about these as well is I'm having a perfectly normal conversation with the camera and you guys, and because I haven't got my ears blocked, I don't even know that I'm wearing these. So that's pretty cool too. Now, the Runner Neo also allows you to make and take phone calls, and the sound quality was good, as the voice doesn't really need much clarity like music does, and pretty much all of the callers that I tested it with said that they could hear me as well as they usually do. So guys, there you have it. This is a pair of bone conducting headphones from Naenka. The ones I reviewed, the first pair that I reviewed, which was probably last year, were pretty revolutionary. Obviously, things are moving on and Naenka remain solid in this arena. I myself are seeing these bone conduction headphones cropping up from more and more companies, and you know what? They are set to change the way we listen to music, so definitely worth checking out. Guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll leave any product links, and there are some discount codes, so they'll be in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thank you for watching. Thanks to Naenka for sending me these very capable bone conduction sports headphones. It's evolution meets revolution. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.